Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi mga ka-Chupapis! For today's video, pupunta kami ng Goodwill, TJ Maxx. We're gonna do shopping and then let's go with us!
It's a beautiful day for October.
Nagulat yung asawa ko kasi dati before October the snow is coming already, right? But now it's almost November, no snow. That's very good weather in Wisconsin. So ayan, medyo maaraw, mainit. 56 Fahrenheit, right? So 56 Fahrenheit na tayo. Pupunta muna tayong Goodwill and tingnan natin yung mga kung anong meron doon kasi we were looking na Goodwill.
Nothing. We're just taking a look. Sometimes I go if I see good stuff, then I buy it, but I don't really go for any specific reason.
Okay. Dapat din kakabit niya yung sink ng ng pamangkin niya doon sa CR. Eh sabi ko, punta muna tayo sa
I used to take my kids there too, and Danny used to be super happy, but ever since Honey's got a little bit older, she keeps going, ew, ew, so I don't take them anymore.
Nandidiri na sila. So, maganda naman sa Goodwill mga ka-Chupapi. Tulad na sinabi ko sa inyo, may mga bagay doon na minsan hindi nyo nakikita sa ibang store. At saka very cheap. Kasi hindi naman ako nahilig sa mga expensive dahil mga ka-Chupapi. Hindi naman tayo lakasaan.
Sometimes it's not cheaper. They sell it very near the new price too, but most of the time you find
most of the time half the price
or less.
Yeah. So, ganang weather namin mga ka-Chupapi.
I'll show you the neighbor I want to leave. I'll show you again.
Mga ka-Chupapi. Papakita daw ng asawa ko yung neighbor na gusto niyang tirahan. So, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kasi maganda nga naman kasi nga bago.
Beautiful neighbor.
Beautiful because the house is brand new.
The area is nice. The houses are new.
Yeah.
It's big.
Papakita namin.
That area didn't exist like years back. Before? That's all newly built.
So before it's all
just empty land.
Oh, so all plants there? No.
It's like bushes, grass. It's empty land. It's all newly built.
So papakita ko sa iyo mga ka-Chupapi. Sabi niya kasi gusto niyang makahanap ng bahay doon sa nice neighborhood. So ito daw yung sinasabi niya. Kasi yung banda doon sa amin, yung mga bahay daw doon, very old na. So dito niya gusto mga ka-Chupapi. Here. Show it to me before so I can show to vlog. Maganda nga naman kasi yung nakita ko, maganda nga talaga kasi bagong mga bahay, mga brand new, maganda yung kalsada, walang pitak-pitak, mga ganun.
Area over here is mostly all brand new built.
This one.
See this neighborhood here?
Oh, it looks like same
yeah, these are all brand new.
Brand new house.
Yeah, and the neighbor here is nice too.
So, no, looks brand new.
If I buy a house, I'm gonna buy here. All the garage are attached.
Yeah.
Most of these are duplex, but they have a few that are houses.
Ayan gusto ng asawa ko mga ka-Chupapi. Attached garage. Ayan ang gusto niyang area. So dati before it's all like that, bushes.
This whole area here is nice. Before then it's all trees and bushes.
Oo nga naman, no, ka-Chupapi. Maganda nga. Mga same style, ba?
Most of them are the same style.
Ang ganda, mga ka-Chupapi. Ayan.
Where I used to live is the townhouse area over there when I first came here to Manitowoc. See those buildings over there? That's where I used to live. See all this over here? It's all brand new. This whole area.
They have a playground.
A small playground here too.
And it looks brand new, right?
Everything here is new.
Maybe this is new.
Maybe.
Because they look.
This whole area here is probably less than 20 years old. Like it's very new. They just started construction like.
I can see because the tree is not so big though. Ayan, maliliit yung mga tree eh. Yung sa amin kasi ka-Chupapi, ang lalaki na ng
old. You could tell the old houses here.
Yeah.
They expanded that entire area. There's some more down there, but I'm not gonna drive.
Okay. Ang ganda nga. You like here?
I would like to buy a house over here, but
This is the ano.
this is the townhouses that I used to live in. Not here, but in this area.
Is it 2-bedroom?
Yeah, it's 2-bedroom. I'll show you where I used to live when I first came here. Southfield. I'll turn it in and I'll show you.
Okay, show it to me, ha? Dito daw siya nakatira dati.
When we first came here to Manitowoc, this is what I live.
You going here? Hey, mapasok mo nga siya.
They redid the entire parking lot.
Before there's no parking lot.
There's parking lot, but it's old. This is all new.
Where your house?
I think they updated the house too.
Where?
I think my house is that one right there.
The gray?
Yeah, that one right there. The first one right there. These are all new. They redid everything. Before, it's not new like this.
They have parking for bike. For kids. Ang galing naman.
This is all new, all been redone, but this is where I used to live.
This is the front, the house. Ayun yung style
Because
ng
one of
front
her
house.
sister lived here too, so then she referred us, and then we got accepted.
So who's the owner for the one?
I don't know. We only talked to the one lady manager that's in charge of the place, but I don't know who the owner is.
But do you like to live there before?
It was okay. It wasn't like the best place. It's small inside. It's just like an apartment. Just one room on the bottom, one room on the top, but it's small. The living room and the kitchen share the same area, so it's not big like my house now. It's small. It was cheap. At the time, it was cheap. It was only $500 a month for 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So I mean, that's not a bad deal.
But now, 1,000 plus now.
Now it's probably up to 1,000 or close to it.
So we're going to Goodwill. They have apartment here too. I never go here.
I saw one of these posts for sale.
For sale?
Yeah, a building like this, it's like $500,000.
We're here nasa Goodwill, makaka-chupapi. Ang Goodwill, meron din sila. Meron din silang...
I know my way around Manitowoc.
Meron silang... Daming tao.
I'll be surprised if we get lost inside Manitowoc. We're lost in a Jurich car.
Hello, Jurich car?
It's not her car, but it looks like it. Doesn't it look like it?
Yeah, it looks like, but it's not her car. I thought Jurich is here eh.
You know, you should invite her thrift shopping with you sometime.
Dito na kami sa Goodwill. Let's go. Tingin lang tayo ng mga kung ano-ano. Ganda. Tingin tayo dito ng walang magandang... Ay, ganda na ito. Oh. Gusto ko na ito. $7 lang siya. Pero sa plant siya, no? Pwede siya sa plant. Baby, oh, this one for my plant. Oh.
If you use LED lights, maybe.
How to open?
Here.
Oh.
It looks like it's not good.
Yeah.
This is very nice.
Purple. Favorite ko pa naman yung purple na color. Ano pa kaya meron dito? Ito mga gusto ko. Vacuum, be? Do you need vacuum? Vacuum sila.
This one might be good for this, but the switch doesn't seem like it's so good.
Yeah. Tingin pa tayo dito. May rice cooker. Ito vacuum pala, be, oh.
Hey, you also need something like that?
I need, but I don't know if it's working.
Is it heavy? can always test it, plug it in.
Meron silang ano, face. Oh, we need this.
The calculator's in my phone already.
Okay. Speaker, B.
There's lots of speakers. I like my bigger ones.
Okay. Do you need this one? Oh, meron din silang ganito.
Looks kind of cool.
Yeah.
It's hardly necessary these days.
Ang ganda ng pala dito. So, 99 cents lang siya. Dito ako nakabili ng ano eh, ng set na plato. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng plato dito. Dito ako nakabili. Ito rin oh. Ay, ganda na ito. Bio, I love cocoa. I like this one. Aesthetic. $2 lang siya.
What's that? Maybe for oil?
For oil. Ano pa kaya? Ay, ang cute oh.
Looks good.
Put it there so I'm not carrying heavy. Ito naman maliliit na baso. Ang cute no, kachupapi. Ito lagay ng cake ko. Meron na naman sila. They have $5 only. I want two.
You want two?
Sorry. Honey, what's that?
Watermelon.
Hello, cute.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah, cute watermelon.
Fruits in there, watermelon. There's for eggs, boiled eggs.
Nice.
Served eggs.
Ganda rin yung phone. What is this for, B?
Okay, very much.
Oh, make me shock.
Make you something. I'm gonna shock you.
Ito maganda oh. Nakaset siya. Color pink. Mahilig sa pink. $24. Ito, if you want coffee oh. Small coffee. Ito naman, gusto ko rin to. Pag nagluluto. Kaya lang. Ganda rin oh. Ano pa ba maganda? Ito yung mga Christmas decor sa bahay. Meron din sila dito.
Different?
Oh yeah, how much?
99 cents.
Oh.
Oh, $1. Yeah, 99 cents.
You can get that one?
Yeah, this is very
Yeah,
nice.
because in the mall, it's expensive.
Do you like these? Happy holiday. This one's Christmas tree.
Yeah, why
Think
not?
it's a rare present. This one's
Yeah.
big, this one's small. How much is this one?
Good idea.
Show the price.
Ayo, we can put it outside the house. Oh, snow. $5. And you can put it light there too.
Put batteries in here.
Design, no? Big.
Double A batteries.
This one too. $2. Let it snow. Ah, it's ugly na pala. No, it's ugly na eh. Broken na. Ugly?
Okay. If you want, we can.
Okay. Yeah. Ito, dito kami bumili ng paint. Dito kami bumili ng paint yung nakaraan. Ngayon parang wala na. Hindi na siya. Maganda kayo. Okay, maganda rito. Okay. Meron din silang ganito. Kaya ito lagi sa Christmas tree. And then, ito. Ayan. Ayan, mga ano. Dito, nandito pala eh. Kaya lang mahal yata eh. Ayan, $1.99. Yung mga ornaments nila. Ang cute naman na ito. Hindi. Alabi, oh, they have, ano, faucet.
How much is it?
34. You open this one, babe. What's inside?
$2.90.
Huh?
It's like a princess box. You put your princess stuff in here.
For my plants, no? What else they have here? Ah, this is for my plants, oh. Ano B, oh? B. What's that? Ah, jewelry.
It's for putting stuff in there.
Jewelry box, no?
Yeah, maybe.
Ito naman yung mga kawali. Pag kailangan nyo ng kawali, dito kayo pumunta. Ito meron to, tortilla. $3. Yeah.
You all want some tacos?
Dito lang mga ka-papi, marami silang fake plants. Ito, ang ganda. No? Ang ganda nyo. Fake plants. Ay, bongga na. Ang bongga naman na ito. Ito, bumili ako ng box for the gift. So, $3 lang siya. Then, ano pa kayo meron dito maganda? Maganda rin ito, no? Maliit na tray. Meron sila dito ang ano. Ganyan siya ka-chupapi. And $7.88. Ay, $7 for $7.99. Ang maganda rin. Cute. Perfect naman. Ang ganda na ito. Ang ganda. Meron din ditong cabinet. Ay, may trash can sila. Oh. Kano kaya ito? They have shoes here.
Shit, it's so real. Remember we saw inside the trunk? And I forgot that it was there, so it shocked me. I was like, what's a baby doing here? And then, oh yeah, it's fake.
Yeah.
It was really fake.
Ay, so cute, Bill.
Is it your size?
Yeah. I'm gonna try. so cute. Look.
Move it. Put it on properly.
Look, so cute.
It is cute. Perfect for your feet.
Does it not look ugly?
No, it's cute. It's perfect for your feet. I think it's match.
I think it's very cute too. Ganyan siya. Ganda. I'll buy this one. $7.
It's good too. It's a good price.
Okay, I'll get this one then.
It's cute too.
Hello, I like this one, babe.
Check your size. Don't get something that's too tight and then you can't wear it.
It's not
Like
fit.
too tight.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna hurt your feet.
Maganda siya, kaya lang hindi siya fit. Yan siya. Ito rin yung maganda. Ito meron Sperry. Yung size na ito. Size 23. Dami maganda ng mga kachapati. They have a mug here. This looks pretty. This one is $8. This one is $8. Which do you think is better?
They're both good. Just different color.
Yeah.
You want both? It's not a bad deal for 2 bags.
Yeah, so beautiful. Ay, ang ganda, babe.
That's a good find. It's still new too. Yeah, it's still very good condition.
Good fine. For a gift. Nice, very good. Ang ganda rin ito. 9 glass. Ito naman, ganun din. Same price din. Okay. Mga kachupapi, tapos na kami mag-shopping sa Goodwill and I'm gonna try this shoes. Let's see if it's good or not. Kasi
So
it's
the
so cute.
10% discount was $3, and then we got $10 off and then $1.50 tax. So it's not
Ang
bad.
lambot nyo kasi. I love you, I feel like I'm baby. Yung mga kachupapi, oh. This one, oh, kachupapi. Grade 1. Grade
For
1.
you, always grade 1. Grade 5.
Ang cute naman, B. I'm glad I found you.
It was meant for you, grade 1. For you, you're always grade 1.
Ito lang mga kachupapi, oh. $7.99. Hindi ko siya.
Peel that off, me.
That one?
Yeah, peel it off. Because later, if you leave it in there and it gets messed up in there, you can't peel it off.
Oh.
Throw away. Good.
Yay! So baby.
What do you think? So happy now?
Let's go to J-Max.
All right.
We're here at TJ Maxx. Ang bilis lang. Kasi meron silang dyan clearance. Hindi ko nabili nakaraan. So, gusto kong bilhin yung lamp na for our house to make it expensive. Dito na kami mga chupapi. So, kasi may mga clearance sila. May mga clearance sila na mura lang. 24 yata yun. So, tingin tayo mga chupapi. Ayan mga chupapi, sukat ko na siya. Ang lambot. No, you forgot. Dito na kami mga chupapi. Yes! Meron silang flowers. So, I'll show you the clearance here. I found it.
This?
This one. This two. This
Those
two.
It's $20 each.
24. Because it's clearance.
Oh, it's 24. So $25 each. You're gonna put in the living room?
Mm-hmm. This looks like a syrup cake.
So this is all you came for?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, since it's clearance and there's no more, you got it.
How to change the light? Can you open it?
I'm sure you can.
Can you try first before we buy? Ito rin may mga clearance din dito.
Oh, maybe you cannot. Maybe you cannot.
You can. Try the other one.
It's probably the light bulb itself.
No. I'm sure they can.
Let's have a look here.
Diba? Maybe you turn wrong. See?
There's something here holding it. You gotta get the thing here to.
Now you try.
Well, maybe you should.
Okay.
No. Apparently that's not how you open it.
I'll try it on. Mga clearance na pot. Ang ganda. Gusto kong bilhin to. Teka, ilalagay muna natin to dito. Magkano kaya ito? Wala namang price. Walang price. Bakit walang price? Ito rin maganda oh. So, marami rin pag-design dito ng bahay. So, ang pa ko naman pang regalo kasi magpapasko na. So, kailangan ko ng ang ganda oh. Nakakatawa pag nakakita ko ng ganito. Parang feeling ko talaga Pasko na. Ito rin oh, ang ganda. Kano to? Ano namang price? Ano pa kaya? Ay, ang ganda ng mga pot. Nakakatawa yung pot. Ito maganda rin oh. Diba? May maliliit sila doon. Ito mga naka-clearance oh. Ano kayang design nito? Plants lang. 32. So, ito yung mga clearance dito. Ito lang. Buti na nakita ko kasi tatlo yun eh. May bumili sigurong isa. No. Ayun na, gusto kong mga ratan mga kachupapi oh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit gusto ko yung ratan kasi very aesthetic siya. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan. And then meron mga ganito. Ano pa kaya? Magkano to? $9. $9 siya. Ang ganda oh. Ay, merong ano oh. Merong ganito oh. Maganda rin to oh. For aesthetic din siya. Ganyan siya oh. Kachupapi. 16 naman to. Mahal naman na ito. Pero mas maganda yun. 24. Daming lang. Ano pa kaya? Ang ganda dito. Meron pa ito pang bahay. Ito gusto ko rin to. Yun naman ito. Hand cream collection. Kano to? Ano to? Lotion ba to? Cleanser, facial. Parang dito ko bibili ng ganito ulit. Mura lang yung mga ano dito kasi minsan nagsisale sila eh. Facial. Ayan o. Magkano to? $12 lang, dalawa na. Ang katsupapay, hindi namin nabili. Kasi hindi mabuksan nung ano. So, ito, bumili ako ng perfume for gift. And then, bili tayo ng lotion.
It's probably why it's discontinued, because people don't want to buy it. It's only one-time use.
Yeah.
After the LED died, then you can't fix it. I mean, you can buy LED parts to replace it, but it can be a headache trying to fix it.
This one too.
Black, intense.
Oh, hold it. Smells good too.
Hey, grade 1 girl, what are you doing? You don't want that one?
Not grade 1, grade 2.
Grade 5. Grade 5 with grade 1 shoes.
Yan. Look at the coffee. I like this one. Happy. Next time,
What brand is that?
Michael Kors. Huh?
We'll see. And your next birthday.
Next year. Huh?
Next year it'll be on clearance.
Yeah. Maybe.
For 1,000.
This one too. Beautiful. Ganda. But for now, I don't know where I'm gonna buy it. Maybe I'm gonna buy this one or no. So mga kachupapi, tama kami. Punta naman kami sa Goodwill. Ay,
Put it in the back.
at punta kami sa Goodwill. Hindi pupunta sa Goodwill dahil kakauwi lang natin. Galing lang ng Goodwill ulit. We're going to Walmart kasi may titignan akong ano dun, lotion. Pang re-regalo ko dahil kasi may atin na naman tayong birthday. Parang katapos ang birthday. birthday. Birthday na lagi. So, nakabili ako ng ganito mga kachupapi oh. Tikman natin kung masarap. Sa ano, TJ Maxx, $12.99. So, tikman natin.
Want to try it? Let's try it.
Yeah. Let's try if it's good. Because I saw this and I was looking for it the other day. I can't find it, so it's gone. So I think this is new Rispa.
Can that open?
Yeah. Thank you.
Still gonna open it again.
And then bumili ako ng mga Cutix. Masarap kasi yung ano ba yung Dubai chocolate. Masarap. Tikman ko siya dati. Nasarapan ako ng ate ko.
Got it? Looks very good. Luxury chocolate imported from Dubai.
Utah? Imported to the US? They make it.
They make it in Utah? That's Dubai, still Dubai recipe. They copy.
No, it's not Dubai. It's Turkey. Product of Turkey.
Turkey? Turkey is in Dubai.
Yeah. Turkey is in Dubai.
I think so.
Made up. You just made it up.
I made that up.
I think Turkey is another different country.
Turkey is a different country. But then they shouldn't call it Dubai chocolate, then they should call it Turkey chocolate. Turkey copy from Dubai, and then Utah copy from Turkey.
Sarap.
They copy each other. It's a scam.